welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing a get ready with me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair and my makeup on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and get started. So I always like to start with moisturizer, and for the eyes I use the Clinique All About Eyes. So I'll just take a little bit of that on my ring finger and I'll dab that under and just rub it in. I really love this moisturizer. It always feels so good. And then for the rest of my face, I will use the Clinique Moisturizing Gel. And I usually only take about 1 pump of that. And I like to let that sit before I start on the rest of my makeup. I like to give it time to absorb. So while I wait on that, I go in with all of my hair products. So I love the It's a 10. I don't usually spray this all over. I'll just spray a little bit in my hands and rub it together. And then just put that on the ends. And then for a little volume, I like the Redken Guts 10. This is the volume spray foam. I'll just shake that up and spray it in. Okay, now that those 2 products are in my hair, I like to get it out of my face while I do my makeup. So I'll just take this and kind of clip it out of the way, but I push it up for a little bit of volume. That way, as the roots dry, it's drying with some volume in it. I know it looks crazy, but it works. So that is all I do, and then I just wait a few more minutes for my moisturizer to sink in, and then I'll get started on my makeup. Now that the moisturizer has had time to soak in, I'm going to go in with my primer. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Primer. And I usually just take about a pump of this, maybe a little bit more, and just rub that between my hands, and I put it in my T-zone. So now that that's on, I will go in with my foundation. I have been using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I really like this. So I'll just take a few pumps on the back of my hand, and I will take a damp sponge just to go ahead and apply that onto my face. Now that all of the foundation is blended in, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and just use this under my eyes and to also kind of highlight my face. Now that all of the concealer is blended out, I like to take the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder and just set everything down. I like to put this powder under my eyes so that as I'm doing my eyeshadow, in case anything falls, I can just brush it away with this powder. And it also helps keep my concealer nice and set, and that way I know that it will last all day. It looks crazy, but it works. For the eyes, I am using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I obviously really love this peach line from Too Faced. Everything is so pretty. I'm just going to take Luscious and Bellini and mix those two. And just put that all over the lid. Then I take a smaller brush and I go into White Peach and Nectar, and I put that right under the brow bone and in the inner corner. Then I just take a fluffy brush and I go into Charmed, I'm Sure. All the eyeshadow I do, and then I just take a felt tip eyeliner and I'll line the top and the bottoms. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm just going to take a small brush and dust away all that powder. For bronzer, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I just take a fluffy brush with this and just kind of bronze up my cheeks. Now that the bronzer is all done, I'm going to go in again with the Too Faced Peach. This is a Sweet Peach Glow palette, but I use this middle blush shade. To set my face, I makeup is mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic. So that is all I will do for makeup, and then once my makeup is done, I'll move on to blow drying my hair. Now that it's all dry, I usually like to straighten my hair on day one and then curl it after. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my straightener and finish up my hair. a little volume to the top. So what I do is I just take a thin little section, take some hairspray, and spray it at the root, right underneath, and just kind of pat it dry. Do the same thing on this side. And I'll lightly brush it just to make sure it doesn't look messy. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you join this amazing community here on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.